Hi everyone, it's me Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. This is going to be a quick and easy video, so let's get started. So this is a video about Anna Griffin birthday gift tag kit. You get 24 and you get 48 embellishments. So you get 24 of the tags, you get 24 of the ribbon, and 24 of the sentiments, and 24 of all the cute birthday embellishments. So this is going to be quick and easy. So I laid out and I already put the ribbon through, and I'm just going to take the sticker off the back, and it says just for you, and I'll place it right there. Each one of them say for and from, and then this is a little wine with a rose embellishment. Take that off, and let's just stick it in between there and stick it right there. There's one tag. Alright, let's do a couple more real fast. This is a cupcake. It's really cute. It's got a purple color down here. I don't know if the camera is picking it up. And what does this say? It says enjoy. So it doesn't have to be birthday. It could be cash in an envelope. You could use this as a card. Here's yellow, and this one has a cake. Let's take that off. That's beautiful. And let's kind of stick it just a little bit at an angle. And this says happy birthday. And once again, stick this in an envelope with a little bit of cash, or an envelope with just candy. There you go. Let's do a couple more I have laid out. Here is a gift, and take that off and stick it straight on. And hardly ever do straight on. This says with love, so this could be for a wedding. And let's just put it like that. And one more. This is a birthday gift box on here. It's blue. And maybe have it at that angle. I always go to that side for some reason. And this says happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, it says. So let's separate and stick that kind of like, well, I don't have room, so I'm going to stick it on there. There you go. So guys, those are so cute, and look how quick and easy that was. This is all coordinating with her birthday supplies that she has. So like, I made this birthday cake that pops up. It's a couple of videos back, and look how it matches. You could give the card a tag with the gift, or this could be just the card. See? And then how about this blue one, the birthday card that we made? It's a couple of videos back, and look how it coordinates. Isn't that beautiful? Or the blue with the teacup. I still need to embellish this down here. I think it's missing something. But see how they all coordinate back and the colors all go together? So I'm loving the birthday colors and sentiments and cards and tags and everything that she has. So guys, yeah, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe, because you never know when I'm going to make a video, because I didn't even know I was going to make this video. But I said, hey, I could do this pretty darn quick, and I think I did. And all my links are down below, so come join me I see you. Have a blessed day.